Again, I go back to the fundamental nature of the vocal instrument. The vocal instrument is connected to all of those levels. It's the clearest truth that I've come to through all these years of working with the voice, is that it is a holistic, multidimensional, multidisciplinary node in the universe. And so it calls everyone that cares about voice, whether it's a physician or a singing teacher or a kindergarten teacher or an actor, it calls all of us into that holistic space, because that's where the voice lives. That's where it blooms and spins and sparkles, is at the intersection of all of those layers of being. With any individual, I may focus on the part that seems to be breaking down, whether it's a medical issue or a confidence issue or a style issue. But I'm open to the full universe of things, because that's what the voice itself calls us to pay attention to. That's the nature of this wonderful organ, is that its nature is to spin in all those dimensions and integrate them all at once.